I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening iCloud Mail Preferences on the web or go to Settings Mail Accounts on your device. Once there, choose the iCloud Mail account and find the account details or server settings. You want the full name or display name field. That's what recipients see. Make the change now. This edits outgoing mail headers only. Do it on the device you use most, because other devices may cache the old name until they sync. After opening the account details, type the new name into the full name or display name field and save. If you need a different email address instead, create an iCloud Mail alias from Mail Preferences accounts on iCloud. Aliases let you send from a different address without creating a new Apple ID. Once saved, update your My Card in Contacts so the new name propagates across apps and devices. Make sure to repeat or confirm on your Mac and iPhone to force a sync. Complete the process by forcing a sync. Sign out and back into iCloud or toggle mail off in account settings, then sign in again. Send a test message to another account to confirm the new name appears. If the old name still shows, clear local caches, remove and re-add the iCloud account, and confirm your My Card has the updated name. Troubleshooting tip. Many issues stem from cache settings. Removing and re-adding the account almost always forces the correct display name to update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.